Java tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about the snapshot versus version in Maven. So we'll try to understand what is snapshot and version in Maven project. Yeah. So let's start. So basically there are two major versions made available for any Maven project. First is called snapshot, right? This is nothing but the development version. New versions availability will be verified during every checkout and downloads if it is required. This version is not allowed for releases. So let's try to understand through an example. So basically, while developing a large scale application, the process involves a series of changes to be made in the application till it is confirmed to be ready as a final release, right? Because there could be a multiple teams working on an application across different set of models. Let's assume there are two teams, team A and B, working on the two different models, and assume team B will be dependent on the services provided by team A. Let's assume team A is involved in working on some critical fixes, and those fixes will be checked in every day. So team B has to be notified in a way that there are still some pending work by team A, and the final version has not yet been released by the team A. This is where snapshot, Maven snapshot comes into the picture, right? Snapshot is a special version which indicates the current development copy of the project which is being worked on. For each build, Maven always check out for snapshot of the project. Hence, whenever Maven finds newer snapshot of the project, it downloads and replaces the older jar file of the project in the local repository. Snapshot version always gets some updates or changes being made on the project. Also, snapshot should exist only during the development phase. It will not be having the release version. This implies that development of the project will be changed at any time and it is still under the development process. So basically when your project development is in process, then that kind of jar is called snapshot. And whenever you build your project, right, and then if new snapshot version is available on the repository, then that will be basically downloaded and stored in the local repository, right? Now next version is called fixed version, or that is also called release version. So it is basically downloaded only once. When you say release version or fixed version, it will be downloaded only once to the local repository. This is obtained whenever a major version of the software release happens, right? So when you work on the snapshot version, and once you decided your I mean you your application, whatever you wanted to implement, that is done with all the kind of testing and all, and you are ready for the release, then you have a fixed version like 1.0 or 2.0, something like that, right? Or 1.2, something like that. But there will not be any word like snapshot, right? Whenever you say snapshot, that means the that's still your project is under development phase, right? So that's all I want to discuss in this video tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoy learning this video, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.